Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now for this machine we have to replace the pressure set, this one that you see right here. This one unfortunately was over pressurizing the boiler. This was not deactivating the heat element when the machine will reach at least 1.2 bars of pressure. So the machine just keep climbing up all the way, and it just activated the safety valve, all that steam came out, and the whole water tank that you see right here completely warped. The whole thing sadly needs to be replaced. Some parts of the machine thankfully didn't get damaged by the overheating boiler. But we were also we checked everything inside as well, and we also checked for other leaks or anything, and the machine is behaving perfectly with the new pressure set, pressurizing properly all the time, as you can see right there. And what else we did with this machine? We also replaced the shower screen as well. As we saw, it was a little bit cracked. So we just replaced the gasket, and we're now going to be putting a shot as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, I'm going to be purging the heat exchanger. This machine is a heat exchanger, so the temperature of the heat exchanger is the exact same as the steam boiler. So I'm just going to purge it before I do my shot. As you can see, there's a lot of steam and pressure coming out from the heat exchanger. A good indication when you know you have the right temperature is when you see that steady stream of water coming out from the group head. You will not hear that big sound of the steam coming out from the shower head. So now you know that the machine is at the right temperature. Now I hope I have picked the right grind settings, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now the good thing about the heat exchange, the E61 group head, is that you can just slowly raise the lever and then just fully pressurize it. That lets water go into the chamber a bit and then fills it up. Sadly, I didn't really pick up the right grind settings of this machine. As you can see, we're gonna get a little bit of crema, but we're not gonna get like that perfect shot of espresso. Also, we're using our test coffee, that one that you see right there, and as you can see, it's on a container. And that lid doesn't really close very well, so we keep opening it all the time. There you go, depressurize. And even though it's a bad extracted shot, we still got a little bit of crema, good color. We could still save it with a little bit of milk. As you can see, the machine is definitely steaming, getting hot. Pressure staying stable as well. No leaks coming out from the steamer one or the valve itself. Hot water with a nice steady stream as well. And really good temperature, as you see the steam coming out from the spout. Machine is filling up right now as we remove a little bit of water from the boiler. Once the water starts going into it, you will see that the pressure starts, the boiler of the pressure inside the machine starts slowly decreasing, and that's because we're putting cold water into a very hot boiler. The pressure will slowly decrease as it cools down, and then it will all the way go back up to 1.2 as well because of the new pressure set that we installed. So there you have it. Isomac Milano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.